we are going to learn how to clean and transform the data using PowerQuery. PowerQuery is a data connection technology that enables you to discover, connect, combine, and refine data across a wide variety of sources. It's a feature available in Microsoft Excel, Power BI, and other Microsoft products. If you wish to follow this video using the same dataset, obtain the Google Sheets link provided in the description. Upon opening Power BI, navigate to Get Data, then click on More, Other, and select Google Sheets. As the connection to Google Sheets involves a third-party application, you will be prompted to input your Gmail credentials. If you choose to proceed, follow the Google account verification steps. Utilize the aforementioned link. Select the Sheet 1 on the left side panel. Click on Load Data. Click on the table view to validate whether the dataset has been completely loaded. As you can observe, the header consists of multiple rows. The first row represents the dataset title, and the second row contains the column names. Also, the headers are displayed as column 1 to column 17. We need to verify this. First, we are going to remove the row with the title. Navigate to the Home tab. Then Transform Data. Click on Remove Rows drop-down. Choose Remove Top Rows and specify the number of rows you want to remove, in our case 1. After we are going to promote headers. Click on Use First Row as Headers. This will promote the first row as headers for your dataset. And finally, to rename columns, we need to click on the column you want to rename. Right-click and select Rename. Enter the new name for the column. On the right side of the screen, please note that Power BI has retained all the steps of your data transformation. If steps are independent, you can delete or rearrange them, such as removing the Rename Column step. However, if steps are dependent, attempting to modify their order will result in an error, or you may get a non-desired output. For example, if we promote the headers before removing the title, we will end up with generic headers. Once you complete your transformation, on the left side of the screen, click it close and apply. The steps will then be performed. Finally, to save the file, click at File, Save As, and add a file name. Then click on Save.